How to fix Roblox not letting you join games on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First, just open settings and then scroll down until you find here storage and then click clean up. And here all you need to do just clean some space. Here we'll find junk files or cache, just clean it. Or you can just clean it from your gallery. Here just go to your gallery and clean some space, and then go to settings, apps, and apps again, and now type here Roblox and then click on it. Now go to storage, clear cache, and then click force stop and go back, try again, and your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.